The problem is liquid phase reaction A plus B gives product has minus Ra is equal to 500 CACB. That is, this is the rate expression. Now K is equal to 500 liter per mole per minute. It's carried out in a PFR of volume 0.1 liter and volumetric flow rate 0.05 liter per minute. It is given that Ca0 is equal to Cb0 is equal to 0.01 mole per liter. Find the fractional conversion of reactant. To find the size of CSTR required for same fractional conversion. So the question is already dictated to you. First of all, we'll write down the data given. Type of reactor is PFR. Rate expression is given as minus Ra is equal to 500 Ca. Type of reactor is PFR. Rate expression is equal to minus Ra 500 CACB. The value of K is given 500 liter per mole. Ca0 is equal to Cb0 is equal to 0.01 mole per liter. Now it is also given volume of plug flow reactor is equal to 0.1 liter and volumetric flow rate is equal to 0.05 liter per minute. Now if you look at this data, then it clearly indicates that the reaction is second order. The order of reaction with respect to A is 1, order of reaction with respect to B is 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it's a second order reaction. Even if you have a look at the unit of rate constant, which is 500 liter per mole per minute, then also it indicates that it's a second order reaction. However, since it is mentioned that Ca0 is equal to Cb0 is equal to 0.01 mole per liter, if I consider this as a 1, so from given concentration condition, we can write equation 1 as of the form minus Ra is equal to 500 Ca square. Both the concentration are same, initial concentration are same, and therefore you can replace it in terms of a single concentration variable, that is Ca, and therefore Ca into, in place of Cb again if you write Ca, then it becomes Ca square. Now even if the rate expression is reduced to this form after the suitable of assumptions based on the data given, the integrated form of the rate expression reduces to a very simple value or very simple form. Now, before we proceed further, you are aware that we have to determine the concentration, conversion in case of the plug flow reactor based on the data given. And therefore, what we will do is we'll use the performance equation in terms of conversion. And therefore, again, while writing or using the performance equation, you have to make use of the data given to decide in which form you can write the performance equation. Now, the data given in this case is such that you can use two types of performance equation, out of which I'll be using the performance equation in terms of space time. And therefore, I will write performance equation for PFR in terms of tau p and XA can be written as, now the data is given, so from the data the performance equation for plug flow reactor in terms of the space time and conversion is tau p upon Ca0 is equal to integration of dxa upon minus Ra from 0 to xa. Say this is equation number 3. Now, first of all, we will calculate tau p, or in another, what we will do is we'll do the integration and afterwards we'll substitute the value. So tau p upon kCa0 is equal to integration of dxa upon minus Ra is kCa square from 0 to xa, that is equal to integration from 0 to xa dxa upon k inside the bracket Ca0 into 1 minus xa bracket square. So again, if you simplify it, then see, if you take this Ca0 outside the bracket, it will be Ca0 square. One Ca0 is there on LHS, so one Ca0 will get cancelled, and this k, or takes this kCa0 square to this side. So if you do it, then kCa0 square tau p divided by Ca0 is equal to integration of dxa upon 1 minus xa bracket square from 0 to xa. So this one Ca0 will get cancelled, and what you will get is k Ca0 tau p. Now integration of dxa upon 1 minus xa bracket square, so it will be minus 1 upon 1 minus xa divided by derivative of composite function. Derivative of composite function, that is d by dx of 1 minus xa, and therefore Derivative of this composite function, derivative of 1 with respect to xa is 0. Derivative of xa with respect to xa is 1, but this minus sign is there. So this minus and this minus will become plus. So what you will get is 1 upon 1 minus xa from 0 to xa. So if you simplify, if you substitute the limit and if you simplify it, what you will get is kca0 tau p is equal to xa upon 1 minus xa. kca0 tau p is equal to xa upon minus xa. This is equation number 4. Now the part first of the problem says find the conversion, fractional conversion, that is this xa is to be determined. Now k is already given 500, ca0 is given. Now if we know the tau p, which can be calculated from a given data, we can find out the value of xa p. So let us calculate tau p. Tau p is equal to volume of plug flow reactor divided by volumetric flow rate. Now volume of plug flow reactor given is 0.1 divided by volumetric flow rate is given as 0.05 liter per minute, and therefore so the answer is 2 minutes. Therefore substitute tau p is equal to 2, k is equal to 500 liter per mole per minute, and ca0 is equal to 0.01 mole per liter in the previous equation, and therefore that equation was kca0 tau p is equal to xa upon 1 minus xa. So if you substitute 2 into 0.01 multiplied by k is equal to 500, ca0 is 0.01 and tau p is equal to 2 is equal to xa upon 1 minus xa.
10.
So
10.
So it is 10 is equal to xa upon 1 minus xa. If you simplify this, then you will get xa is equal to 10 upon 11. So the answer is 0.90.
Yes.
So you may take it as a 0.91 or you may keep it as a 0.9090. Now we'll be solving part second of the problem. Part second is calculate Vm is equal to question mark, that is volume of CSTR or mixed flow reactor when conversion is equal to 0.91. Therefore, now since volume is asked, we'll use the performance equation in terms of volume, and therefore performance equation in terms of volume for a mixed flow reactor is Vm upon Fa0 is equal to Xa upon minus Ra. Now Xa upon K, we have already discussed this, minus Ra is equal to KCA square. This can be further simplified as KCA0 square into 1 minus XA bracket square. Now the question is, this is molar feed rate. Now how to calculate the molar feed rate? So instead of calculating, what we will do is we will substitute the known values or known variables in terms of molar feed rate, and those known variables are from the unit we can easily derive. So FA0 is equal to CA0 into V0, that is FA0 is equal to initial concentration multiplied by volumetric flow rate, KCA0 square into 1 minus XA bracket square. So 1 CA0 will get cancelled. Now V is known, XA is given, we can calculate the value of Vm. So Vm is equal to, now we will transfer this CA0 to this side, but one CA0 will get cancelled, and therefore what we will get is V0 into XA upon KCA0 into 1 minus XA bracket square. So volumetric flow rate is given as 0.05. The conversion is 0.91. K is already given 500. CA0 is also given 0.01 multiplied by 1 minus 0.91 bracket square.
केलं तरी येतं ते answer.
Same answer येतोय sir.
Okay, so the answer is 1.123 liter. So this is an indication that even though the conversion required is same. Now in the first part you must have noticed that the volume of plug flow reactor required was for the same conversion just 0.1 liter, whereas the volume of mixed flow reactor required is 1.123 liter, and that is why when the higher conversion is required or desirable, plug flow reactors are preferred over the mixed flow reactor.